Hello, everyone. Just wanted to check in with you and say we are still here to help. We are thinking of you and your family at this time and wanted to just give you an update on a lot of the things that are going on right now. So if you haven't taken the time to apply for your Paycheck Protection Program loan yet, please do so now. Now is the time. It is urgent. The SBA started taking updated loans yesterday. There was already a backlog of people who had applied while the funding was still pending. So it is at the very tail end. We are at the fourth quarter. We're at the two minutes left in the game. We need to. If you haven't applied for your PPP loan yet, it is time. The time is now. Please get in line. Please find a small local bank or use one of the secondary lenders that is available, because some of the larger banks aren't able to get it done and they do have huge backlogs. You want to get with a smaller lender or some of the secondary banks like QuickBooks Capital, Cross River Bank, a loan builder through PayPal. There are numerous ones. I will post a link to it below so that you can have that information. It is time though. If you have not gotten a paycheck protection loan and you haven't applied and you're scared, please reach out and give us a call so we can talk you through it, because this opportunity will not come up again. This is the fourth round of funding from the government, and we believe that it will be the last for small business owners and those that are self-employed. So it is urgent that you get in the game now and get your application in and get in line so that you can get assistance with this money, especially if you are a small business owner. Even churches are able to apply. So yes, please take advantage of that today. In other news, if you're in Maryland, at least, some places have allowed self-employed and gig workers and 1099s to apply for unemployment probably weeks ago. Maryland has just opened that up this past Friday. If that's you, you don't qualify for a Paycheck Protection Program loan because your business didn't make any money, you may qualify for unemployment. So that is another thing. You cannot do both, but if you don't qualify for Paycheck Protection Program loans, please apply for unemployment. Right now in Maryland, there's a backup. You want to log in. Don't get discouraged. You're going to see something crazy like you have 300,000 people in front of you. That's okay. Put your hat in the ring. Go ahead and sign up so that they can call you and email you when it's your turn to fill out your application and get this taken care of, so that, again, there is money that's out there that will help you to survive. Please go forth and please go ahead and apply for it so that you can take advantage of that. And then thirdly, my good friend Beverly Winstead alerted me today to the fact that the IRS has given people who have Social Security, disability, and veterans who have children, if you did not file your taxes and you did not you did not qualify for the stimulus, you have until May 5th to go onto their website and file the non-filer status in order to get your stimulus fund. It appears that after May 5th, they're going to close the window and you're no longer going to be able or eligible to get a stimulus payment. So if that's you, I will post that link below as well. You want to go ahead on the IRS website. If you're a veteran or someone who has Social Security, disability, and you have a dependent, please go on the non-filer website with the IRS and fill out the information so that you can get your stimulus payment sometime between July and September is what they're saying now. But it's important that you do these things today. Please take action. I know there's a lot going on. I know we're all pretty frazzled and stressed. It's okay. We are here to help and assist you and help get you through this process. So please take advantage of the things that are available to you so that you don't get left out. And when July and August comes, you're wondering where your next meal is coming from or where your next dollar is coming from. We don't want that to be you. So if you're connected to us in any way and you need help with any of these things, please let us know. We're here to help, and I can be reached at 301-577-6444. And our email address is accounting@pgservicesinc.com. We also have resources on our website, which is www.pgservicesinc.com. We are here for you. Please reach out if you need to. Don't let this moment pass you by, because it may not come by again. All right, thanks and have a great day.